Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by revealing what's hiding blank pages. Show non-printing characters so you can see paragraph marks and page breaks. Then open the navigation pane to jump directly to the page you want to remove. Once done, switch to Draft View for precise control. Draft avoids page layout interference. These steps help you identify whether the page is empty, contains only formatting, or holds a manual page break. Make sure to keep the document saved or use a recovery copy before deleting content. Proceed to edit confidently. Now remove the actual elements that create extra pages. Click a manual page break or section break and press delete. This deletes the forced page transition. If the page is formed by empty paragraphs, select the paragraph marks and use backspace or delete. Collapsing them removes the space. For stubborn spacing caused by paragraph settings, set spacing before and after to 0 pt and line spacing to single. This often pulls content up and eliminates the blank page. Once these changes are applied, recheck with navigation pane. Finish by handling section breaks carefully. If removing a section break affects headers or footers, change the section type or copy needed header/footer content before deletion. Then use Print Preview or the navigation pane to confirm the page is gone and the layout remains correct. If something goes wrong, use Undo immediately or copy the document content, except hidden breaks, into a new file to preserve formatting. One key troubleshooting tip. If a page won't delete, check for objects anchored to that page. Select and delete or re-anchor them to remove the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.